Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word is the calm before the storm. Gemini, it's time to go with the flow. You cannot tell air where to go, where to flow, but you can control your breeze. So it's not a tornado. It could just be a breeze on a nice summer day, a breeze at the beach where everyone just relaxes and enjoys your comfort. With comfort, you are able to implement your wisdom, my wise man, wise woman in the universe, and therefore you flourish. But go with the flow, because you're transitioning into a new season, blessing, manifestations, and breakthrough. There's no reason to be troubled, to be a tornado, because we cannot speed up time. So don't anger yourself or your body, your cells, your nerves during the waiting period. Just be calm, go with the flow, and transition. You're in the right place, right time. I breathe, live, and I grow with the light within me. I do one thing at a time, and I focus on the present moment. I cast off doubts. All fear dissipates because fear fears you. You look at it in the eye, I guarantee it will run away and cower. Then you're on your way to prosperity. And I find peace within my being. Stay in the present. There's a lot of freedom in the present. You'll be locked in the past because you outgrowed that person. You'll always be comparing. You'll be thinking of the future, be locked in the future because you're thinking and comparing yourself with what can be. You already have victory. Live in the present every day. Claim victory and your freedom and enjoy life. Therefore, your future is going to continue to be great. Your present, your life is going to feel like living, not surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I'll see you later. Love you too.